Now let's just get right into it. I had to change my hair color, like I was explaining in the previous video, because my hair was starting to thin out. So like right here started to thin out, and also in the back here, I don't know if you can see, like that. So we can't have that, because I ain't gonna be bald. Okay, I'm not trying to be bald. Okay, so now if you can see back here, you see on the ground there, back there? Yes. Now right over there is my stash of clip-ins. I did not know I kept all these clip-ins. There's a pack there that looks like I didn't even use. So I think I'm gonna be good for this in-between stage. Now, I haven't even got to the in-between, because right now, do you think clip-ins can go in this? I tried it. It's gonna work, a little finesse, but it's gonna work. I'm gonna show you. You don't believe me? I'm gonna show you that it can go. Watch this, okay? For your glory, I will do anything. Okay. Okay, so the makeup's done. So let's see. This is the clip. Okay, let me show you back here. This is the clips I'm gonna be putting in. They are by Bobbi Boss. They are called Bohemian, I think. Bohemian? Yes. Bohemian curls. Yes, Bohemian clip-ins. And there's supposed to be 7 pieces, but in this pack I had 2. I just put them together. I had 2 packs and I just put them together because we needed to make space, okay? So do you think this is gonna work, guys? Now, I'm not putting in all these clip-ins, obviously, because I don't have that much hair in my head yet. The way my hair is growing, don't be mad. Don't be mad. Okay, look. So the first weft I'm putting in is 4. Now, because the bottom here, it doesn't have much, like up here, I'm not going to be putting it all the way there. I'm staying right here, so it's right here, guys. Which you'll see. Okay, so now I have another 4 clip weft. Now, in each pack, only 1 4 clip comes in. Okay, guys, I have 2 because I have 2 packs here, and I've integrated together. Okay, this is where we're at, guys. Now, let's go to the 3. I think I only have 1 3 clip. That's fine. That is fine. Go. This is what we're dealing with so far, ladies and gentlemen. Oh, I lied. Here's another one. I lied. Okay. Oh. As I get closer to the top, it's much easier. Like, it feels more secure, right? Okay. Now, because I only have this much hair, I'm going to be probably using the 2 clip, like these, this size. Because I don't need a whole bunch, right? Do I just need to do this? Oh, I could do it. Oh, I have 1 more 3 clip. Sorry, guys. Let me just use that. I'm sure it's gonna be a lot easier. Okay. Okay. And do I need another one? Maybe just not this one, a smaller one. Yeah, like this. Okay. What is this? Now, okay. Okay. So this now, I have several headbands I can choose from. Let's use this one. I'm just gonna put it over right there, just like that. Okay.
I'm gonna play with DJ watching YouTube.
Done, guys. There we go. It'll work. Clip-ins. I am so glad I kept my clip-ins. Again, it is the Bohemian clip-in by Bobbi Boss. You do get 7 wefts in each pack. This is in the color number 1. I got it from my local beauty supply store for $36.99. Let's see that there. Yeah, $36.99. I think I got this like last fall, so I don't know. You know how you go to the beauty supply store and then you can't get certain things anymore, but hopefully you will still be able to get it. So guys, this is how I've managed to finesse my clip-ins on bald, basically bald. I'm basically bald, growing back my hair. And this is like, I don't even know what would you say this is? Like, this is very short hair. Clip-ins, putting clip-ins on very short hair, right? I guess so. Oh, right, guys, until next time, take care and God bless. Thanks for watching. Bye.